Check this bad boy out. This is a 1965 Oldsmobile 442 convertible, an iconic muscle car. But this is a show car and it doesn't have a show car finish. Let me show you the problems. So here's some of the problems. It's just massive swirls and scratches everywhere. And worse than that, right down here, let's see if we can capture that. There are pigtail scratches everywhere. That means someone used a DA sander on this and then did not get their sanding marks out. Let's come up here to the front. Okay, so same kind of thing going on, and I'll guarantee you the same defects you're seeing here on the flat horizontal panels, you're gonna see on the bottom, on the vertical panels too. And now you can really start to see some of the holograms up here. And holograms, in case you don't know, they're the wispy looking lines like right here that mimic the way a rotary polisher was moved over the paint. Now, if you've always wanted to take one of my paint correction detailing classes, but just haven't been able to find your way to one, this Saturday is your chance to watch how to detail this car live on YouTube. I'm gonna go live sometime Saturday morning. I'll have my phone number up there. And as I progress through this car, I'll be happy to take questions. But this is gonna take place this Saturday. It's kind of like a live online detailing class with yours truly on this beautiful but completely trashed 1965 Oldsmobile 442.